In March 1952, Colonel TJ Cawley threatened if the government did not do suitable adjustments to their Accompong boundaries in St. Elizabeth, there would be trouble. In a letter to the government, Colonel Cawley complained that since 1938, they asked the government to confirm the Maroons' boundaries, but up to now, nothing had been done. The Maroons took it upon themselves to get their own survey to defend their boundaries, but the government surveyor objected to them performing their own survey, so their document was not accepted. Since the Maroon land had not been properly surveyed, 6 Maroons were arrested and sent to prison for trespassing on government land. Colonel Cawley claimed that the men were, in fact, on their own Maroon land, so these men were wrongly imprisoned. Cawley also protested that a couple weeks ago, government forest workers attacked some Maroons cutting timber. Furthermore, the forest workers confiscated the Maroons' farm tools. Cawley said the incident should never have happened since the men were working on Maroon land and not government land, as the forest workers claimed. But Cawley asserted that had he and other Maroons been notified on time of that incident, there would have been a different headline on that matter. So, he said he is asking the Land Department to advise the forest men not to ever set foot on Maroon land again. Colonel Cawley warned that if the Maroons didn't hear from the government soon on the boundary dispute, this failure would cause major headline news.